Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can collage your photos or the videos on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, you can collage your photos or the videos on your Android device by using third party, and you can just simply go to the Play Store, and here you will find some of the applications. For example, I have downloaded video collage, and I can just simply open that application, and you can see I can collage both my photos and videos on my Android device. If I want to collect my photos, I can just simply tap here, and here I have to select. If I have two photos to collect, I can just simply turn on if I can just simply select that, and here you can see the plus icon. I'm going to add my two photos. For example, let me open these two photos, and here you can see these two photos are collect. Now I can adjust its volume. Let me go to the gallery. So this is how you can collect your photos or the videos on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.